Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can turn on mic on Zoom meeting. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Zoom app, and then you need to log in with your account. Then just join a meeting. Once you join a meeting, I'll be guiding you now. So on your bottom left corner you'll be having this option which says join audio. Just join the audio first. So now once you join a meeting, join audio, you'll be having this unmute option. Once you press on it, it will unmute or turn on the mic. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.